Hello people and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is gonna be a quick one and we are gonna be trying to recreate this famous and trending effect. So as you can see in CapCut, I've already imported some material that we are gonna start working with. First of all, I'm gonna click on modify right here and select the 9:16 format, which is the format that you need to use if you want to create some short form content. We're gonna start with creating the background of our video. So I'm gonna import this topographic background that I found on YouTube. We're gonna go right here to basic and rotate it 90 degrees and make sure that it fits on our screen. I'm gonna lower the opacity. The next step, and for some extra texture, I'm gonna add this dirt effect. I'm gonna rotate it 90 degrees, make sure it fits on our screen, and go to blend mode and turn it into screen. And here is our background. So now we are gonna start creating our effect. So I'm gonna import our character. I'm gonna go to video, cutout, auto cutout. There you go. As you can see, it separated our character from its background. I'm gonna make our character the size and the position that I want it to be. Now that we have our character separated from its background, we're gonna duplicate, and there is two ways to duplicate. First one is to click on your character's layer, you click on copy and paste. And the second way, you can just click on your character's layer, press on Alt and drag. There you go. So I'm gonna click on our top layer right here, go to video, mask, and choose the horizontal mask. I'm gonna align this line right here with his eyes, and I'm gonna do the same with the bottom layer. I'm gonna select it, go to mask, horizontal, go a little bit below his eyes and rotate it 180 degrees. So you are gonna play a little bit with the mask here, make some adjustment to make it less visible. So what we just did right here is we separated this part of the head of our character. It sounds a little bit creepy saying like that, but that's what we did. As you can see, if I select the top layer and I try to move it, you see it's separated, and the bottom layer, it's the rest of his body. So first of all, I want to start with the appearing animation. So we're gonna select the top layer, go on animation, and I'm gonna go with a simple slide up, make it 0.5 seconds, and do the same with the bottom layer, slide up 0.5 seconds. So let's start with our animation. What I want to add is add this hand PNG right here. And what I'm gonna do is animate it and make it look as if this hand is responsible for separating his upper head from his the rest of his body. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna add an animation to this hand. I'm gonna go with the slide left. I'm gonna select the top layer of our character, go right here on position and size, select the keyframes, go a little bit forward and separate it from the body. There you go. As you can see, it's a little bit slow. What we're gonna do is put the keyframes closer. It's still slow, so we're gonna put them closer even more. There you go. Next step is we are gonna animate the hand. We're gonna click on the hand layer, go to where it's still static, make the same keyframe for position and size right here, go a little bit forward when it starts moving and rotate it. I'm gonna rotate it and put it upper right here. Let's see how it looks. So it's a little bit not synchronized, so I'm gonna bring this closer to see how it looks. So I played a little bit with the keyframes on the hand layer right here and on our top character right here to make it as accurate as I can make it for now, because I don't want to make the video too long. And here is what we are working with at the moment. As you can see, it's not 100% accurate. You can obviously make it a little bit more accurate if you put more time on it. So our next step is that I'm gonna bring the brain right here and obviously make it appear when the two parts of his head are separated. I'm gonna make it smaller and put it right here. And then I'm gonna select our brain layer right here, go to video, basic, scroll down and make sure that it's behind the layer of his head. I'm gonna put it on 3 right here. It kinda appear a little bit too late, so I'm gonna bring it even forward. So that's our perfect timing. But as you can see, there is part of his brain already getting through. So what we're gonna do is animate the mask. So we're gonna select our layer, go to video, mask, and choose the mirror mask. We're gonna add a keyframe at the start right here. Make sure it's as small as it can be so that we can't see any pixel of the layer. We're gonna go forward and start to make it bigger. There you go. Let's see how it looks. There you go. So for right now, I'm kinda satisfied with how it looks. What I'm gonna add is some extra effect that can actually make your video look good. So I'm gonna select all my layers right here. Make sure not to select your background layers. I'm gonna click create compound clip to make them all in one layer. I'm gonna go to effects and I'm gonna add the play pendulum effect. I'm gonna turn the twist to 0, bring the strength to 10 or 15. 15 is good, and lower a little bit of the speed. So this actually adds some animation to our image, as you can see. So there you go, that was it. That was all for our today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and it helped you learn some new stuff. Don't forget to join our Discord by clicking on the first link in the description, and I hope to see you next time.